I don't know where you're gonna be able to get inside from.
Here they come, here they come.
The north gate is unlocked.
It's your fault, but you have the access, so
Holy
please.
fucking shit,
Coming,
get
they're
ready.
coming!
That's what
Guys,
what I'm asking.
They're coming from both sides, both sides, both sides. They're trying to hit both sides.
The flank and stuff like that, so we need access.
Hey, fix this shield wall. Fix this shield wall.
Fix the
Here.
shield wall.
Keep it tight, guys. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Make a U. Make a U.
Don't throw the spear in the
Oh, fuck.
Laser down.
Okay, guys, don't throw your spear. Put your shields up, running duck. Everybody.
Remember to use slash. They're coming. They're coming. Make a U.
Gallad Bloody, move up.
Make a U, guys. Make a U.
Infamous Aloran, move up. Fill the gaps. Gaps.
Make a U, guys. Back up. Make sure you have 3 shields. Make sure you have 3 shields.
attack
Come on, come on.
Guys
here. 3 shields, guys. Group up. Tight.
Stick to the right. Stick to the right.
Shield wall, shield
Do
Right.
not back up anymore. Do not
Right,
back up
right.
anymore. Do not back up anymore. They're coming. Keep it tight.
Hold them poke. Hold them poke.
Stab.
Witness, I have an axe. Let me get on your side. Witness, let me on your left side. Hold them poke.
Stab.
Hold, keep holding. Hold.
Hold them poke. Don't push it.
Oh, they have a lot of. They have a lot of.
Just keep holding. Don't pull back. Do not pull back. Psycho, advance a little bit.
I couldn't because Simple's not letting me in the line.
Shield wall. Nose up.
Hold.
One step forward.
Right push.
You can do this.
Do not pull back. Do not take 1 step back. Do not take 1 step back.
Keep poking. Concave shape.
Psycho, running.
get it.
You guys need to advance a little bit so that we can make this into a U.
Left side is weak.
We need to
Left
get
side weak.
Left side is weak. We're losing it. We're losing this side. We're losing it over here. We're losing it.
Go back a little bit.
We're losing over here, guys. You're gonna get flanked.
Okay.
Regroup with the left. Regroup with the left. Regroup with the left.
Keep stabbing.
I'm almost dead. I'm like 1 HP. I'm 1 HP.
Okay, pull back to feet.
Don't panic.
Make sure you have 3 shield icons. Make sure you have 3 shield icons.
Push.
You will die for bit.
We can do this, guys. We can do this.
Pushing. Everyone, keep pushing.
They're trying to pull back the left.
You should have hold shields. Hold.
You will die.
Oh, let them go.
Get the corners. Get the corners.
Die.
I'm low for the wall.
Die again.
Hold the shield.
Form to the right. Form to the right.
Wait, hold the line.
Keep it tight,
Rotate
guys.
at the front if
To
you're
the
in
right.
it.
Hold to the right.
Guys at the back. Rotate.
Advance. Slow advance.
Yeah.
No, we don't want to be concave.
Advance.
Right side.
Stop.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Guys on my side, push.
Holy fucking shit.
Go. Get them.
And I'm not there, I'm so sad. Blank him.
Corners. New shield wall here. New shield wall over here.
Four people beat.
Bro, how did we win that?
I don't know, man. No.
That was crazy.
That was all awkward right there. Yeah. It's all discipline. It's all about discipline.